In a physics laboratory experiment, a coil with 200 turns enclosing an area of 12 centimeters squared is rotated in 0.040 seconds from a position where its plane is perpendicular to the Earth's magnetic field to a position where the plane is parallel to the field. The Earth's magnetic field at the lab location is 6.0 times 10 to the negative 5 teslas. What is the total magnetic flux through the coil before it is rotated, after it is rotated, and what is the average EMF induced in the coil? So the question is asking, what is the total magnetic flux through the coil before it is rotated? Okay. Well, the flux formula, it goes like this. And then it's saying, what is the average? Okay. Cosine theta. And what is the average EMF induced in the coil? So, the formula for the EMF is equal to, okay, dt. So, let's write down what we're given. Okay, we are given 200, n is equal to 200 turns, and this is problem 29. This is problem 29.1. Okay, so 200 turns, and it has an area of 12 centimeters squared. Okay, an area and it's rotated from position. Okay, so it says that it's rotated. Okay, it's rotated time. It's rotated at a time of final is equal to 0.040 seconds. And the Earth's magnetic field is equal to 6.0 times 10 to the negative 5 teslas. Okay. So, and the question is saying, what is the total magnetic flux before the coil is rotated? And so B is 6.0 times 10 to the negative 5 teslas. Okay. And the area, let me try to convert this over here, 2 and 2 meters. Okay, so that's 0.01012 meters. Okay. So perpendicular is magnetic field where it's parallel. So it's saying that it was first perpendicular, cosine of 0, and then it was parallel. Okay, so let's rewrite this over here. And cosine, and then it was parallel. Okay. Now, this is 0. And if this is 0, then the rest is also 0. Okay. Now, cosine of 0 is 1. So I will multiply this over here to get the flux. So this is initial, this is final. So that's 6.0 times 10 to the negative 5 times 0.0012. It's equal to, so it's 0 for the final, and then the initial, it was 7.2 times 10 to the negative 8 teslas. Okay. I mean, not Teslas, Webers, I'm sorry. Webers. 0 Webers, and then the other ones. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Okay. Oh, okay. There you go. So that's Webers. And then it's saying the total magnetic flux through the coil. And then in the coil, there was 200 turns. So we'll multiply that times 200. And we get 1.44 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay. Webers. So that's the answer for part A. Now the second question is saying, what is the average EMF induced in the coil? And in the coil, so we have the change of the flux of the final minus initial. Okay, so the final, it was 0 minus initial, which it was 1.44 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, and then over the change in time, and the time final, it was 0.040 seconds, because the initial was this. No, this don't go there. The final is final minus initial, so that's the final minus initial, which it was 0. Okay, and so the answer is equal to, if we divide this, the 1.44 times 10 to the negative 5 over 0.40 seconds, we get, okay, this keeps happening here, we get 3.6 times 10 to the negative 4. Okay, and this time it is volts. We can also write it as 3.36 millivolts, but I like writing it like that. So that's what we get.